Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all OMAD diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs easily. OMAD diet as in 1 meal a day diet plan, and it works amazingly well for weight loss. Now recently my lots of clients requested for OMAD diet plan because of their medical concerns, of course because of a lot of other things out there. And the results were amazingly well, as you can see on your screen. Now if you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp. And we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and help you lose weight and manage your diseases very efficiently. So without any delay, let's get started with OMAD. 1 meal a day diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs easily. Starting with our rules of OMAD diet plan. Basically, how do we follow 1 meal a day diet plan? The rules are super simple. First rule, 1 meal a day. Basically, you eat your entire food in just 1 meal a day, be it calorie oriented, be it carb oriented, be it protein rich food, be it fiber intake, be it fat intake. Everything is taken care in that one meal itself. Second rule, basically the meal that we have is in a window of 1 hour. At the same time, the rest of the time is always your fasting window, in which you only have 0 calorie liquids. Basically 0 calorie liquids: black tea, black coffee, peppermint tea, green tea, chamomile tea, ajwain jeera water, or you can have som water or any of the herbal teas. But 0 calorie liquids are mandatory in your fasting period only. And the third major rule is we basically intend to have a very nutritious meal in that particular 1 hour window, which is basically consistent of all your macros and micronutrients. So let's start with OMAD diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs easily. For example, you wake up at 7 am in the morning. The first thing that you can have basically is of course your 0 calorie liquid. You can have any of these mentioned options on your screen. You can have methi neem water, you can have ajwain jeera water, you can have som water, you can have cinnamon water. All these work amazingly well for postpartum weight loss, for skin or hair health issues, for PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, diabetes, and work amazingly well for immune system as well. So do try out these options for your 7 am or 8 am or early morning drink. And now we proceed towards our next option. Now for example, you feel hunger pangs at 11 am. Then you can have your black tea or black coffee to help you satiate your hunger pangs as well, and of course to give you that caffeine rush as well. So you can have these options for your 11 am or your breakfast drink. And now we have your eating window time. Now for example, you want to have your meal at approximately 12 pm to 1 pm, or you can even shift this window to 5 to 6 pm as per your own convenience. You choose your eating window time. Now I personally recommend my clients to have their eating window at 2 pm. Basically, it also satiates your hunger pangs of lunchtime and also keeps you fuller for throughout the rest of the day as well. So for example, you want to have your meal at 2 pm. That is when we start with our eating window. First thing that you always should consume as soon as you start having your solid meal is fruits. First thing is of course you can have any of these smoothie recipes mentioned here. You can have watermelon slush smoothie, you can have mango banana smoothie, you can have mango peach smoothie, you can have banana strawberry smoothie. As per your own choice, you can always choose the best option for your fruit intake for your OMAD meal. Now of course you can, if not want to have smoothie, you can always have papaya with added flex seeds. You can always have kiwi, you can have apple as well, you can have any fruit of your own choice to begin with your eating window, so that we don't see any kind of sugar spikes happening all of a sudden. Now we proceed for the options for our eating window. Now if you want to have your meal, of course high protein in nature, consisting of carbohydrates as well, fiber rich, fat rich also, everything is taken care in this whole meal. I'll be giving 3 options. You can always switch and turn on alternate days to have for your OMAD meal. The first combination is that you can have a high protein wrap, share the recipe completely with you. Along with that, you can have, of course, if you like having it so, a bowl of dal, or you can even have a bowl of curd or yogurt along with lots and lots of salad. Now I've shared the complete recipe of how do I prepare this wrap. Basically, in a pan I'm adding a little bit of olive oil and adding all my veggies to it. Onion, capsicum, bell peppers. You can even add zucchini, mushrooms, corns as per your own choice. Along with that, sauteing it for 4 to 5 minutes and then adding the paneer to it. Now this recipe makes this wrap a wholesome wrap which consists of fiber as well, protein as well, and fats as well. So you can see that once these veggies are properly roasted, I'll be adding pinch of salt and black pepper to this. And then I'm taking a whole wheat roti. To this I'll be adding a bit of salsa. Along with that I'm adding here lettuce for fiber. Along with that I'm adding here the roasted veggies. To this I'll be adding cucumber for the crunch. Along with that some cheese as well for the good fats. And now you can simply have it this way also. I like to roast it again to make it more crispy in nature. And hence your taco or your wrap is ready. Super amazing, super quick to prepare. You can easily carry as well to your offices and great for weight loss as well. You can always pair it up with, of course, high protein dip that I always love to prepare, or you can always have it along with Greek yogurt or curd. Plus for fiber intake more, you can have both of salad along with that. Second option for a OMAD meal would be to consume rice. If you like having your rice and want to have during this time, then of course you can have rice. The best option for you would be to prepare matar paneer sabzi, or you can even have soya sabzi, or you can even prepare chicken curry, fish curry as per your own choices, or egg curry. Along with that, have brown rice. Approximately 100 to 150 grams of cooked brown rice you can have for this meal. Along with that, pair it up with lots and lots of salad and curd, of course, for probiotics. Now this again is a wholesome meal with protein component, with of course yogurt for probiotics and of course salad for fiber as well. If you want to add, of course, more protein to this, you can always incorporate more and more of roasted paneer, roasted soya, or you can even have 2 boiled eggs added to this. So your tasty, wholesome meal is again ready. And the third option is a unique recipe that I'll be sharing with you, which you want to have with roti. Now for all the roti lovers out there, if you want to have roti, you can always consume 1 or 2 multigrain rotis. You can always prepare either oat wheat roti, or you can always have multigrain like jawar, jaw, baja roti or ragi roti, or you can even have besan chila or moong dal chila for this time. Now I'll be sharing with you a sabzi recipe, or you can even call it as a snack recipe as well. High in protein, this particular recipe contains almost 30 to 35 grams of protein into it. Now this is boiled soya. To this I'm simply adding a little bit of cornstarch. Along with that I'll be adding, of course, spices of your own choice, mixing it well, and then in some olive oil I'll be roasting it out. Once properly roasted, then I'll be adding in the same pan some onion to be roasted and golden brown in nature. And then in the blending jar I'm making a sauce for it. Now basically for this I'll be using, of course, paneer. This is approximately 100 grams of paneer. To this I'll be adding soaked cashews in water for the consistency. Simply blending it all together and your high protein sauce for this is ready. Then I'll be adding to this the sauce and the soya. You can see how quickly they turn into this delicious recipe, which is basically super high in protein. Of course, garnishing with some fresh coriander, and your tasty high protein creamy soya is ready. You can see how good looking it is, and trust me, the taste is even better. So do try out this recipe for your roti or rice along with it, and trust me, it works amazingly well for fat loss as well. These are the options that you can pair it up, of course, with some curd, with some yogurt, with some salad, of course, and your tasty high protein meal is ready in itself. Do try out these options for your one meal a day, and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now herein we end your eating window. If you want to have something sugary or something sweet in nature during this window itself, you can always pair it up with half a piece of dark chocolate or 1 date. Works amazingly well to suppress sugar cravings as well, and trust me, you will not feel any kind of hunger pangs having these options for your meals. And post this, if you feel hunger pangs or any kind of sugar cravings or any kind of food cravings, then you can always simply consume black tea, black coffee, or peppermint tea or chamomile tea. Before going to bed, always make sure to consume chamomile tea. It really helps you with your hormonal imbalances. Great for weight loss as well, improves immune system, and also for postpartum weight loss too. So these are the options for your 1 meal a day meals, and always prefer to have 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water throughout your day to help you with your hydration benefits, removing all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and great for your weight loss as well. And do share your results in the comment section below. I'll be happy to revert back to you and see how your transformation journey is. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306722, or click on the given description box link and mail to me directly, or reach out to me on WhatsApp directly. And we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and help you lose weight very effectively and, of course, sustainably. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query on any of the diet plans or meal recipes. I will be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon for the all updates. And now you can check out all my daily vlogs on my different channel, which is linked in the description box below. And we'll be starting with our new program, which is basically a 12-week fitness program. You can always message me or mail me on WhatsApp to join the program. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy always.